Good morning, class. Everybody, please stand. Eric, come in front and lead the prayer. Now, let us put ourselves in the presence of God. Amen. Once again, good morning, class. Before you take your seats, please pick up some pieces of papers or trash under your chairs. Arrange your chairs as well as yourselves. If you're done, you may now take your seats. Secretary of the class, is there any absent for today? Okay, later on, please give me the list of names. Am I understood? Great! Before we start our proper discussion, let me introduce to you again our classroom rules. Please read, class. Number 1, listen actively and participate in the classroom discussion. Number 2, raise your right hand if you wish to answer. Number 3, respect one another and maintain cleanliness of our classroom. Is it clear to all of you? Very good. Now, our lesson for today is all about composing effective paragraph. So class, let us start with a quick question. If you want to explain a big idea to someone who doesn't know it, how would you do that? Okay, Eric, you would start with the main point and then you would explain it step by step. Okay, Janella, what about you? Oh, you would use an example and you are going to make sure that your ideas are well connected to one another. That's good. I can say that you are already thinking about how to organize your ideas. That is exactly what writing a good paragraph is about. Putting your thoughts in order so that others can understand what you are trying to convey. Now, the question is, what makes a good paragraph? A good paragraph in academic writing has one main idea. What do you think are the important parts of a good paragraph? Yes, Jane? That's correct. A good paragraph has a clear topic sentence, supporting details, and also examples. Sentences should be connected well. Yes, Romero? That's correct. A sentence that ends the paragraph and also focus on one idea only. Therefore, class, a good paragraph is a clear, easy to follow and fully explained one idea. Very good, class. Keep up the good work by participating actively. Now, in connection to modern technology, I have a question. How does AI help us in terms of writing? So class, I want to tell you a secret. I used an AI tool to help me write example paragraphs for this lesson. I gave a topic like explain symbolism in a Filipino story and gave me a draft. Then I change and improve it by myself. What I am trying to say here, class, is that in connection to technology's advancement, AI can help you or can help us get started with ideas or overcome writer's block. But remember, you still need to think carefully and make the writing on your own. Now, the question is, what do you think about using AI to help with your writing class? Yes? Correct. It can save time. It helps when you don't know what to write. Sometimes it's not detailed enough, right? Therefore, we must be careful not to copy it exactly. So, it's good for ideas, but we must do the real work because AI is a tool to help us, not to make or to do our work. Again, AI is just a tool, but you are the one who makes the writing good. Now, I have prepared here an activity. Let's practice. In groups of 3 or 4, write a paragraph about how does the setting in a Filipino story affect the characters or the main idea. I will give you 7 minutes to do this. Time's up, class. Who wants to share their paragraph? Let's read and talk about what's good and what could be better about your paragraph. Great job, Group 1. What do you like about this paragraph? What can be improved? Yes, Eric? Correct. The main idea in this paragraph is clear. They use examples from the story. The sentences are well connected. But maybe you may add better transitions to this paragraph because the ending could be stronger, right? That's correct. That is a good feedback. Helping each other like this improves your writing skills. Why do you think good paragraphs matter? Where else will you need to write good paragraph besides in school? So, in writing a good paragraph is not just about academic writing. It has a lot of formal purposes. These are like research papers, job applications, reports, emails, as well as letters. Yes, writing clear paragraphs helps you in many parts of life, such as in school, work, and even in everyday communication. Class, what are the 3 most important things about writing a good paragraph? Yes, Jane? Correct. You start with a clear sentence, give examples or details, and you should make sure that your sentences are well connected. Also, it should focus on one main idea. Once again, in connection to modern technology, AI can help you in terms of this, but you should use your own thinking. That's all for our discussion, class. I hope you practice these steps in writing your paragraph so that in terms of academic writing or in other formal writing, it would be a better writing. So, I hope you learned something from my discussion. Goodbye, class.